Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. Khalid here with ARI LENNOX featuring Smino. This song is called Scenic Drive. Very cool song here, and it's all about two chords and a strumming pattern. So this one is a shorty and a great one. So no need for any capo here. We have to learn the C minor and the D minor. So let's start right away. This is two bar chords we will use here. So for the C minor, we have the bar here on the 3rd fret from the A string and down, so on 3rd, and then the rest will be 5th here on the D string, 5th on G, and 4th on B. Alright, so that's the C minor. And then normally we take D minor up here, but for this one we just move the grip 2 frets up from the C minor, and that gives us the D minor here. So you need to bar the 5th fret here from the A string and down, and the rest will be 7th here on the D string, 7th on G, and 6th on the B string. So same grip, you just move 2 frets up and down. So very easy there, okay? Now it's all about the strumming here, and I'm gonna show you first how it's done one round, and then I'm gonna divide it for you into two parts here, so you can learn part by part and then connect them to one strumming round. So let's first listen to one full round. Okay, so that's one. Okay, so the first part will be, if you grab the C minor here, that's the first chord. The down, down, up, clap, up, down. Okay, so down, down, up, clap, up, down. Okay, down, down, up, clap, up, down. Down, down, up, clap, up, down. Okay, that's the first part. And then you're gonna continue with down, up, clap, up, down, up. So down, up, clap, up, down, up. Down, up, clap, up, down, up. Okay, so okay, so that's the full strumming. If you connect these two, it will be like this, slow first, and then I'm gonna show how it's done in standard tempo. So that is one round. So again, down, down, up, clap, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up. Down, down, up, clap, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up. And in standard, something like this. Alright, so notice here, when I'm strumming here, I'm not trying to include the top strings, the higher notes here. I want to play and stay in the middle of this chord here, or more on the middle bass, to play the strumming here. Okay, so we're gonna play that for 2 rounds, 2 strumming rounds for each chord. So it will be 2 rounds for C minor, and then you shift up 2 rounds for D minor, and then back and forth like this, 2 rounds for each chord, and that will sound like this. Alright, so that was it for this song here called Scenic Drive by Khalid. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. If it was, please thumb up and enjoy playing this song. Pretty cool, and once you get the strumming it's done. So good luck with this one, guys, and see you soon. Don't forget, play tuned.